Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I did this glorious painting and then I proceeded to drop something right in the middle of it, and so I am doing it again. I'm not showing you the mess up because I'm saving you guys the heartache that I just had. But anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to do a funnel pour, but we're going to do it with black as a background instead of white. I don't know if you guys saw my video from a few weeks ago. And I'm using magenta. This is Deco Art Americana Premium Magenta. And I am using the Color Shift Orange Flash. And then this yellow that I'm using over here is a mixture of this Americana Neon and the Americana Glow in the Dark paint. So that's kind of exciting. And then I'm going to use some of my regular, the white, black, and yellow that I'll use are all Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. Just to clear that up. Mixing ratios and everything will be in the description. So first I'm going to just cover this with black. This is going to be a dark painting. Oops, probably need a little more. And none of these have silicone. In case anyone's wondering, there's no silicone. Okay. So we've got a nice layer there. And then I'm going to hold my funnel and do this. You might want to pre-pour your paint into a cup and then into the funnel. That might be easier. It might be a little easier to judge how much you need as well. I'm just going to wing it right with the funnel. As you can see, I still have some of that paint in there. So I'm going to start with a little bit of white. And I just do really little bits of these colors at a time. Then some of this yellow with the neon. And then I'm going to pour some of my regular yellow. I really like yellow with this, with black. I think it looks really pretty. Then we'll go to some of the orange. And then we'll go to the pink. Back to a little more white. I feel like I have enough yellow, but I don't know. Let's do a little more pink. And just a little more. A little more of everything, why not? Okay. And then because this is the most fun part, I'm going to bring you down so that you can see how it looks when the paint comes out of the funnel. Now keep in mind, I am holding this with my hand, so it's not going to be as smooth, but we're going to just slowly release it underneath this black paint, and I'm going to move it a bit in a circle because that's how I like it. There you go. Okay. You can see those cells already forming, and it's already going off the side over there, so I'm going to quickly put the phone back and tilt it. Okay. So then, as usual, you just tilt it to your heart's content. You can cover up all the black or not. Totally up to you. We got some really cool lacing over here. Bring it back. Got a lot of pink. I think I'm going to bring it this way, yeah. There we go. Cool. I'm not going to lie, it's not as cool as the first one, but it is still really cool. All right, so let it sit here for a bit. I'm curious if any of that, more of that black is going to kind of pop up under there. I think I may have pulled the funnel off a little too quickly. So the paint didn't go under the black as much as it normally would. But let's see how it looks. So we'll be right back. All right, so the black's not really coming through, but we did get some other cell formations and we have some really cool lacing in here. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. So starting in the bottom right corner, and this is definitely not a normal color scheme for me, so I like changing it up. Going to the upper right hand corner, this is where we got that cool lacing. I think this might be my favorite section, but it's hard to tell. And you can actually see the two different yellows in there. So the lighter one and then the brighter one. The lighter one's actually the neon. Over to the upper left hand corner where we did get a little bit of cells and stuff coming in there. And then down to the lower left hand corner. And then a little bit in the middle here. Yeah, very pink and orange. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.